Got it. Is it okay, Mani?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lisa. Beautiful.
Yes.
Will I get...
Can you rewind it, Mani?
Hey, rewind it.
Anand sir, how is my daughter? You have brought all Mumbai models. They all must be shocked looking at my daughter. Lizzie is not only lucky, she is attractive too. Both are needed, no? Oh my god, let her not be affected by this.
Your kid will never wait away, Kochamba. She is exactly Xerox like you.
You only have to say this.
Ha! Don't get upset, Kochamba. You know what? All that, the director is having control. As some typical mother says, any extraordinary people come, they cannot even stand before this Pratap sir. What do you think, man?
Why so doubt? She's got a very sharp brain, you know. Am I right?
Yeah.
If only Guruji can do this, you can dress him like Guruji and make him act in front of camera.
What, Achama? We need a press release and new models too. Always these Prataps are used to ask for it. Considering your needs and wants, I just brought you here. Huh.
Hi, uncle.
Do you know how many ads this Pratap sir is doing? Huh.
You come with me.
Kumar, how is my costume?
What's the big deal in that? A half a skirt and the tiny blouse. Look at the makeup here. Have you seen this girl more beautiful
You
like
feel
this?
jealous. When the breeze came, the dress did not move upside. I don't know what went wrong.
Subramani,
Huh?
it's a beautiful. We have to take some different angle from different shots.
Yeah.
Different range.
Yeah.
Mala,
Sir?
work is almost over. We have to take some shots from the fans' view.
Okay,
Just
sir.
look into it.
Sir Anu.
Oh.
Hey, baby. I did not call you, dear. You can go. This is a different baby. Hey, you come here.
My name is Madhu. I've told you several times to call me by my name.
Oh no, I was actually trying to call my assistant. You know, he's just lean like you. I got confused when I saw your face. Please don't mistake me.
He has already left with another cameraman.
Yeah, I know. I'm the one who sent him. At least his life should become good, you know. Do me a favor. Get me some drinking water.
That is not my job. I've come here as a driver. You ask somebody else, they'll bring your drinking water.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have a small doubt. When I was taking a shot, where were you? When you saw that girl, you ran and came here immediately.
You have started just today, but I'm seeing this for the past 1 week.
Oh, so I think you're the scriptwriter for this project. When some other lady artist is coming here, you'll be coming here. That time you'll get it from me. Move that fan towards this side. And switch on the light also.
Hi, baby. Papa's busy in shoot. Okay, I'll be there tomorrow. I have 2 days leave. Sir, Chandika. Okay. I'll call you back.
Good morning, sir.
You already said good morning to me in the morning. This too much show off is not good for your health. That's symbol of fraud. Go, go.
I told you.
Yeah,
not
baby
to
girl.
always
I was talking
agree.
to one of the fraud. Papa will call you back. Okay.
Sir?
Huh. Have you taken the fan shot?
Yes, sir, I have taken. Sir, I have a guest for you.
Guest for me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kartika. Not able to see you somewhere here?
What work will I have when Lissy is here, sir?
Why do you want to think like that?
She has to come within your frame, sir. That's the only request she has.
I heard that some film you are becoming a heroine.
That didn't happen, sir. In fact, it was not even a good company, you know. I didn't know that. Not just in Malayalam, but Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, all these were their big promises, you know. In spite of that, its director, he doesn't even know how to write Malayalam properly, you know. Please consider this poor lady, sir. Not because I'm starving, but I'm very dedicated to this field, sir.
Okay. Mala,
Yes, sir.
there is a soap ad we have.
Okay, sir.
Maybe you can give it to Kartika.
But Anand sir asked Lisa to do that, sir.
Lisa, just now she did a soap ad. I'll speak to her child.
Yeah, okay.
She will look after
Ah,
you.
thank you, sir. Thank you
Hey.
so much.
What for?
I'm really happy.
Why?
It's Guruji's ad. So there'll be some decent costumes anyways, whether it's soap or bath.
Hello. Just wait for a minute. As of now, all the things are going on well. Then what's your problem? Just tell me to whom should I go and ask now? To the director. What's his name? Guruji. What is the use of seeing him? I've invested a lot of money in this project. How can he help me? Okay, now what is your problem? Actually, nobody's giving me the details about my requirement. Can you help me in this case? Let me be very clear. Behind the visuals, what you have seen.
Behind what?
The scenes, what we have shot just now. Behind that, the name of your fan. Very cool. It will be coming in graphics. In between the graphic shot, there'll be a clip in the female voice where she says your fan name. Very cool.
You mean female?
You're right, a lady voiceover.
Which means I will hear only the lady voiceover.
This is not my requirement. Bro, just a minute. Actually, bro, I have a small clarification.
Sir, what are you talking to me? You are a big multi-millionaire and you're calling me a sir? Sir, this is very bad. Even the production department guys are calling me by my name.
So you can also call me by my name itself, sir. Hey, you Williams.
Sir, actually I was just joking with you. You have taken it very seriously. Okay. Hey, you William, sir. You come to the next topic. Sir, today's shoot is pack up. We have some work in the studio. That I'm not bothered, my dear friend.
Okay.
My requirement is that extracurricular activities. Yeah, mixing. You're talking about the graphics, right? Do I look like a mad fellow, my dear friend? The lady artist who acted in this advertisement, that artist's name is also
Lisa. Full name Lisa Elizabeth.
I'm not bothered about the entire name and all.
Can we get her?
Can I get her for some enjoyment? What is the matter? So again I have to explain to you.
Yeah.
Before you had got this project,
Yeah.
do you know what and all Mr. Anand had promised me to offer? You were also beside him that time.
You mean Lisa?
Yeah.
That is not possible at all.
Already lot of guys are going behind her, you know.
I'm sure you'll not get hurt. You know about her mother? She's a big devil.
Let me be very clear. If her mother gets angry, you may have to go to hell and then market your fan products there.
Do you understand, my dear friend? He's asking such a silly question.
My dear friend, actually I had an intention that all the models will be adjusting for these cases. But now my money is wasted, that's it.
Actually, you're mistaken, sir. I just told you that you will not get Lisa alone. But there are a lot of other girls too.
Is that so?
Of course. You will get better, beautiful girls than Lisa.
So what I've heard is true, am I right?
I'm 100% right, sir.
Yeah, this is what I expected.
You mean my statement? Most of them are for sale.
For?
I mean, for sale. To be very clear, everything is for sale.
Two beautiful girls are going. Hi.
Hasn't he seen any girls?
I hope I'll get any one of these two girls. Can I get her? She's just come for some ad shooting. Actually, I am planning to start a studio like this.
Mummy.
Whom do you want to see?
Anand sir had called us.
Uh-huh.
That's why we came to meet.
I'm the personal secretary of the person whom you're looking for. I am all in all for this Ayanora studio. Now you tell me, why did you come?
This man, is he connected to Mr. Anand?
Yeah, actually, I also belong to that category.
So that man has got these type of people contacts?
You know what? I have a lot of work to do. Don't you understand what I talk?
He said there's some shooting, so he called us.
Is it something related to undergarments?
That is what ladies wear body.
It's not bodies, it's bodies.
Is this girl is a model?
Yes, she is my daughter.
Can you get up? Sister, you've been so many times ups and downs. You sit here. You get up. Just turn around. I mean, did Achayan see this girl?
He has seen the photos.
Yeah, photo is not a 3D.
Bloody stupid fellow. Who, me? Not you. I'm calling him. The person who's investing money, he's not getting anything in return. Yeah.
Look here. Please be seated. Who was that fellow? Swami. Poti Swami, that's what they call. He even eats beef. Behavior is also same. You don't have to worry. Poti Swami it seems.
Sir, come, let's move. Come, we'll go.
Go on.
My dear friend, I have a small doubt. The person who was talking to the girl, he was giving some instructions. What was that? He was talking about undergarments.
Undergarments. What is that?
Undergarments is what actually women wear.
For what purpose is that girl come here?
She would have come for that ad shoot.
You mean wearing undergarments and she'll come in the front of the camera and act?
Of course, that ad should be taken like that.
Is that so? Can I see that?
Of course, everyone will see when the ad is telecasted. Actually, I want to see that ad shoot live. You mean live? You want to see? Seriously? I'll arrange for you. You know the amount what I've earned in Saudi. I'm planning to invest in this area and do some business. That is the reason I'm collecting all these details.
Now what my plan is, if I'm going to start an undergarments business, monthly I'll be able to earn a huge amount. Am I right?
What, boss? There is a discussion here. Can I join?
What did you call me?
Boss.
You're so sweet. Till this date, even in my factory, nobody's called me as boss. I like you so much, my dear brother.
It's okay. You tell me what happened.
What to tell? Actually, now I came to know all the details from him.
What is it, Williams?
He wants to have that Lisa.
I'll take care of that.
Can I believe you?
Don't worry about that. You go and come, my dear boss. Williams, you come with me. Shooting is already packed up. You have to spend some money for this.
For what?
This work, as you think, it is not very easy.
What job?
Arrangements.
Calling me hey boss. When I was open to him, I've lost my respect. This is what happened to me always. I've undergone this in Saudi too, so I should not take it seriously.
Hi, Ashok. Tell me, buddy.
Where are you, man?
I was thinking of calling you. There's an important thing to do.
Tell me.
The person who is close to your dad told me that your dad has a daughter.
Without my knowledge, my father has got another daughter? Fine, just leave it. You come to the studio soon. We will talk there.
My dear God, I'm coming.
Come, sir, come inside. Anand, sir, she's the girl I told you, Ganga.
Her face is good. Is his body is okay?
That you need not worry, sir. I will take care of that.
Okay.
You heard that? Sarus like this girl very much. Come inside, my dear. Let me tell you, your body should not be very rigid like this, dear. I'm just taking a measurement for your dress alone. Keep the book with you and just note down the details.
$33.
Bro, can I take measurement? You take it. I'll write it.
Little more. 33 and a half. Don't bend. 39. This is the next measurement.
Hey sir, it's not me.
I'm sorry. I took the measurement for the wrong person. Come, my dear child, come this side. Who's that?
What's your name?
Ganga.
Nice name.
I've seen you before.
Where?
In ads.
Shaji, Kumar, I'm starting now. Where are my costumes?
It's there.
What is your name?
Ganga.
Initially you'll say Ganga, later you'll become Nagavalli. Mom, I didn't say anything. Come, we'll go. Okay, bye. Hey, it's okay, come. New girls keep coming. If they get one proper ad, they shoot up like rocket. Somehow I want you to stay till the end. What do you want me to do for that, Mom? You want me to stand in front of camera naked? I didn't say you anything. I know about that Anand very well. Ad agency is not only with these people, lot others have. Lisa, you don't speak all this. My dear Mom, for this kind of work, beauty is only not enough. For models, luck is also important. I have that. Look here, this undergarment thing is not that bad. That is, it will make entire world dance for its tune, okay? If you take 4-5 photos, you know how much they're paying? 25,000. Now that mother and daughter are going to take that amount. Can we think little differently, mom? What? Tell me what? These kind of products is not only used by youngsters like me, no? Ladies like you are also using, no? That's why you can also become one big model that everybody will like, no? Madhu!
Oh, Shobhi, just listen to me carefully, my dear. I'm just a driver alone. How can I take some hasty decisions, you tell me? And that is another person's money also. I have told about you to Anand sir. Kutti sir also know about you very well. If things go very well, then you will go to a higher position in your life.
Hold on for a minute. Madhu.
Sir?
The Lisa's work is over. You take the vehicle
Okay,
and
sir,
put
I'll
it
leave her
there.
immediately. Did you hear what I told
yeah,
you
tell
now?
me.
Exactly, you're very right. The driver also plays a very important role for a lady artist to improve her life. People don't understand that. My dear, this is our studio's costume room. Most of the beautiful lady artists of this film industry have come here to change their costumes. And what type of costume that lady artist should wear as a customer, I will decide. And even now, I'm the person to decide.
Look here, mother. In the beginning, she'll be shy. Then she'll get used to it.
My dear child, just show your face. You should not feel shy in this industry at all. You know about this color? This color is very lucky color for you. After wearing this costume, you will reach greater heights in your life. After that, everything will be open in your life.
Mummy, what is this? How can I just wear these two pieces?
What are you talking? To advertise this innerwear, will anybody wear whole dress? Look here, sir. You please wait outside. I'll get her ready.
Okay, that you can decide.
Yes, sir.
Until we leave from here, the gate should be closed. This is for you.
Yes, sir. Hey, the girl is new.
Will there be any problem?
Nothing, come.
Fine, then come. That I will take care, man. You don't worry.
But money matter, you know what.
Come.
Don't worry too much. In Hindi and Tamil movies, how many ladies have worn this? Thousands of people watch that, right? Even you have seen that? Look here. God has created women so beautifully so that people can appreciate it.
Even then, Mom,
What that, mom?
if these posters are displayed on the roadside, what will my future become?
If you start earning nicely, who will ask us to marry these glamorous ladies? How many businessmen are standing in queue? You know that?
All that is just a fantasy, Mom. How long will that relation last?
No. Not everybody who comes to court are cinema actors. It's just their fate. No other people are getting divorced or what? You wear this and come.
Come. You very slow, come. Oh, welcome. Please be seated. Now it will come. Within one more bell, the show will start right now.
Shit. The reason these days girls are getting spoiled are only because of these types of mothers, you know? See how she's removing her daughter's dress? If Anand sir knows that I'm getting the bottle for you, I'll definitely get scolding from
Oh,
him.
then what? The one you're talking about is too good, see? Take the vehicle soon. Oh,
Mom,
sorry,
please.
Mr. Madhu. You be quiet. Somebody is waiting there to drink that.
Where the hell is his mom and daughter gone together? It's getting very late today. Hey, Diana! What the hell is she doing here? I have not drunk anything for the past 1 hour.
Brother, don't feel bad because mom scolded you in front of everybody
No,
there.
I don't take these things seriously, madam.
Hey, why will he misunderstand us? He's our boy. You come.
Diana, your mom and sister have just come now.
Dad.
Come. What was that shoot today?
Oh, that shooting. In 3/4 meter cloth, one top and half skirt. To see that 1,000 people.
Why are you taking my daughter for this type of bad
Oh,
shoot?
look at that. Your father has earned too much money for you two daughters. Go keep this inside.
Hey Mary, you have not bought anything for me? My hands are shivering.
Don't empty it.
You're going a little too much.
Huh? Where?
Hey, I'm not telling that. Your booze.
That's correct. Look here, it's not earned by you, right? It's mine and my daughter's money. I don't require your permission.
Tell me, Lisa.
There's nothing much to say, Diana. There's one big flirt called Mustafa. He's doing one ad which is for 60 seconds.
Will it come on TV?
It'll come. Sister, please give me some hot water, no?
If you want something, sister, else get lost.
Look here, girl. Please keep some hot water for me as well. I have lot of back pain. What work did you do, Mom? Only I acted there, no? Why are you talking like this? I'm taking care of you like a flower, no? Do you think that is very simple job? Enough of your ego. Then you keep quiet. You come, dear.
Give this to that girl to read.
Okay.
Here.
Keep it.
I'll come, sir.
All had a doubt whether your daughter will be able to do such kind of scene. Actually, I was the person who got such an amount for you. So you should give me some commission from
Sure,
that.
I'll give you a share. What happened, dear?
Is this the ad you told about me, Mom? Is this the future you promised me? How many more will come now?
Say, dear. Please forgive me, dear.
Don't say a word. You don't talk to me again.
We should leave, right? Stop all this. Go say all this somewhere else. If mom comes to know, she'll kill me.
One day night, just like this, there was a thunder and lightning. When we were traveling in the train, I get the shivering even now when I think about that. Do you remember that incident?
Just because I'm not able to forget that, I'm standing here and crying. Or else, I would have taken my daughter and would have gone somewhere else. Now started. I gave the money I had and got him the drink as well. Should I see this fellow crying as well? Oh my god.
You will talk all this nonsense because your daughter Elizabeth is getting a lot of fame and huge amount of cash too. But what's the case of my daughter? What does Diana have? Huh?
Now he started again. Hey, look here, man. After your first wife died, with a girl child in your hand, you started drinking. You rescued me and my daughter from dying. After my husband died, with one girl child, I was worried a lot about surviving. And then you got married to me again. I thought you will look after me well, but now I'm still in the same position. You started drinking even more. You have become big drunkard. You spent everything. But did I leave Papa like you and go off? For you and your daughter, for food, for drink, everything I'm doing. I'm only doing right. Is that my mistake, huh? Not just that, I'm spending even more on your drinks. Look here, man, I'm telling you one thing. Those two girls, Diana and Lisa, they're living like they're born to one mother with lot of affection. My daughter Lisa is calling Diana her sister, right? Do they look like they're born to different parents? Don't talk nonsense and spoil their thoughts. I think that Diana is born to me. Name, fame and money, right? That depends on their fate.
Diana should get married to a very good family. That's my only aim.
Huh. There's lot of time for that. Go, get inside and sleep well. Oh, lot of back pain. Joining you, I started all this. I started drinking this poison as well. I can't even sleep without this now. You come and sleep now. Is it you, sister? Okay, I'll call you later.
What is there in it? Why do you close it when you see me?
Oh, that. This video is not for you, my cute sister.
This is not for good, Lisa. You're always on phone. Looks like you'll catch some disease now. Why are you laughing?
Who is not using the phone these days? Except you. That means everybody will be affected, right? If you worry, you can't enjoy anything. Did you get it? Okay. Makeup man Kumar said that I've put on little weight. Is it true? Have I put on weight, sister?
Why do you have to show your tummy to all the makeup men in the city, huh?
You're one big fool, my sister. For models, it's all common. Anand sir says a model should sacrifice her beauty for this job. Okay, leave that. Have I put on weight?
A girl should have this much tummy.
You're a mad girl, my sister. In a model's body, there should not be any extra fat seen anywhere, sister. I have to start aerobics and diets again. Okay, you go sleep, sister. Sister, wake me up early in the morning. Have to start doing yoga.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What, both of them are standing here as a pair? Do you have any plans to kill me or what?
Worry, sir. There are some secrets here. Your minister should not be revealed to his father.
When the minister is not supposed to know any details, then why should we tell him?
You need not worry, sir. I will do the needful for you.
You come, sir. I have something to tell you. Yes, sir. Worry, sir.
I knew when you called me to come here. Requirement of girls. That is what is happening here. But one thing, commission is 25%. There is no change in that at all.
Sir, don't worry. I'm here. I will give you.
Fine, what is the girl's name?
Lisa. Beautiful girl.
I'll arrange.
The house is constructed in big size.
Yeah, you're right. The house rent is also very big.
Is that so?
Good morning, sir.
Who is it?
It's a father. Wish him.
Don't mistake me, sir. I have seen Madam alone coming to the studio. I've never seen you. That is the reason I was asking. He's money. Yeah, the cameraman. Normally, I don't have the habit of going to any artist house, you know. Since
brought
he had
him here.
forced me to come, I just came along with him. Yeah.
Hey, Lisa, car has come to pick you up.
Oh, Madhu brother. Mani sir is also there. What Madhu brother?
You have been called to the studio immediately.
Anand sir and Guruji
Your
didn't tell
phone is
about this.
continuously busy. Then what can we do? They have tried around 100 times. And I have tried around 1,000 times. You are a young girl, so you'll be getting lot of calls. Am I right? What happened to your mother's mobile? Whenever I'm calling her, it is always engaged. Any problem?
Okay, tell me what's the matter.
Actually, we have received a government order. It's a handloom order. So all the officers want to see you. That's the reason we have come here.
All my profile photos are there in studio systems.
That is a very big contract. But one thing, they want to see you directly. If you're not able to come, then please tell us.
No, sir. You come inside, I'll call my mother. Sister, offer them tea.
No, we don't want anything now. You come first.
Good thing. Come.
I think he's had few pegs.
Mom? 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 See, sister. Now morning as well.
Mom. Mom.
Hey, why are you two shouting like this? Did your father die?
My dear mom. Earlier you used to only drink in the night. Now in the day also. What should we two girls do? Come get up.
Today there's no job outside, right? Whole night I could not sleep properly as well. Mom, from studio Madhu brother has come. What job that skeleton has got here? Oh mom, one big project has come. Why did you come here? You could have called you, right? Okay, where is your phone? Oh, my phone was here only. My phone. Take my phone. Oh, my phone has no charge. It has got switched off. Okay, come mom. We'll go to studio and come. Hey, in the midnight?
Mom, this is not night. It is day. It is 11 o'clock now.
What? Morning? Mom? Go you dress up. Why should I? Go dress up, yeah. Why are you shouting? Simply. Che.
Mom, what will they think if they see you like this?
I didn't know that they'll call me so urgently, my dear. Do one thing. Today, why don't you go with your sister?
Me?
Yes. It's better that you accompany your sister than me going in this condition. But one thing, don't let her go from your hand. She should be in front of you always. She's not like you. She's very different. Mom is like that, right?
How can I go, Mom?
Then what? If you go, that's enough. You are 2 years elder to her, no? You only go. Good night.
Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning.
Who is this?
She's my sister, Diana.
Hi.
Guruji has not come today?
He's gone for some shooting. It's an outdoor location.
What shooting?
It's a soap ad.
But he didn't tell me anything about it.
The secret of my beauty is Lux Beauty Soap. That alone won't suffice. There is a bathing scene in this ad. Lisa won't do all these scenes. That Bala itself will.
That Bala is there, no? She'll spoil Guruji's name. After shooting, ask him to go with her and bathe. She knows all this better. You come, sister.
Why are you talking like this to that girl?
You do not know anything, sister. We should be like this only. Okay, you sit here, I'll come.
Where are you going?
He has come to see me, right? I'll go and come.
Mom has asked me not to send you anywhere alone.
She has gone mad, sister. You sit, I'll come. Don't get tensed.
Lisa.
I'll come back. Hello.
What happened to Achama, baby?
Severe headache. She has fever as well.
Okay. Tell her to stop drinking.
Same thing I wanted to tell you also, sir.
She's a smart girl.
Lisa, look. Advertisement is for sale. Just for sale.
One not one.
What?
101 times you have said this to me, sir. Look here, Anand, sir. Whatever you and Guruji says only I'm listening, right? What else should I do?
Look here. You know what he has brought? 1 year full contract.
Handloom.
In front of camera, you don't have to show the glamour. But you understand.
All the big companies are standing in queue to give good offers. But when Anand and Lissy are there, will this order go outside? Let me be very frank with you all. Okay, I'll tell you now. If you want to gain something, you know something? If you have the will, you can earn well.
Lisa, who has come with you?
That is my sister, Diana. Why are you asking about her?
Nothing. Just like that. I heard someone saying that there is a girl in reception.
Mom is not feeling well, that's why she's come with me.
Look, Lisa, it's a 1 year contract. All other details, he will tell you.
Some more contracts are there. We will tell you what it is.
You continue talking. I'll come back now.
You have taken all the shots right, sir. Next is editing, right, sir?
Okay, takes everything. You keep it in order. I'll come back in the evening and look into it.
Okay, sir.
Are you Lisa's sister?
Yes,
What's your name?
I am Diana.
Having such a beautiful girl, Anne-Marie has never told me. What are you doing, baby?
Me?
Nothing. Are you studying or working? Something?
No, I'm unemployed.
Huh.
Where is Lisa? She's left for a long time now.
She's there inside. You sit here. Anand, can you come here for a minute? Shooting is over. Okay. Sit here. Who's that girl?
Hey, where are you going?
Lisa, what happened? What happened, dear? Any problem at studio?
I don't know about anything, Papa.
Then why is she going inside without answering me?
I just don't know, Papa. Since the moment she got in the car, she's been yelling at me. She's never behaved this way with me. What mistake did I do? Didn't Mom wake up, Papa?
No. Okay, you go inside.
Leave.
Come.
Leave, Joseph.
Ask her. Ask her what happened.
Hey, Diana. What happened in studio?
My dear Mom, I know nothing.
Oh, you do not know anything? You think my daughter is
Hey,
mad?
Mary.
At the studio, Lisa made me sit in a sofa and went inside. Then she came like a tornado and sat inside the car.
Oh.
I also ran into the car.
Oh.
She answered nothing what I asked her. Then she yelled at me a lot. I don't know why she did that, Mom.
Oh. What an acting.
Why are you talking nonsense, Mary? What mistake has she done?
She is more attractive, it seems. My daughter has lost 1 year contract because of this girl.
What agreement are you talking about, Mom?
Bullshit agreement. Since very long back, I knew this will happen. That happened today.
I have no idea what she's talking about, Dad.
Oh, you father and daughter are acting together, is it? I'll show you both who I am. I'll show you.
What, dear? What is she talking about?
Papa, you ask your wife itself what's wrong.
It's very good, isn't it,
Huh,
Bala?
it's beautiful, sir.
Take a CD right in that.
Okay. Huh, 1 second, sir.
What happened?
Sir, you're leaving already?
What, Bala?
Sir, I told you about one thing.
Let me look into it.
Okay. Or else, shall I post that, sir?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
That Lisa's not accepting. You guys have messed up everything.
Pradap saw that girl. She said that's enough. What should I do? But I've never seen that beautiful girl. She immediately left from here.
What if we had missed both the girls?
She is not going to go anywhere, Mr. Warrior.
If both of them are okay, then it will be good. For the next 1 year, even if you're not able to get any contract, Anand and the studio, both will get profit. That type of a contract I've given. 2 people. Anand will make it into 2 dozen. So I think my statements are clear. Huh?
Okay. Hello.
Huh?
Can you please wait? What happened, Pradhapan sir? Too much of respect is not required, Mr. Vinay. Something master have to tell me. As looking like that, I don't think there's something good to talk to me. You sit there. Can you please be seated? Achayan, you have a daughter, right? What is it, master? It's a new question for me. You've seen my daughter Sainora so many times here. Is there any new problem? What problem? She is my own daughter. Can I kill her? Within this age, she has experienced 8 lovers. Somehow I removed everyone from her life. Do you know why I am not keeping her for her studies here? I'm not telling her anything. She started drinking now. Do you know something about that? Achaya, whatever the deeds that we do it in our life and the consequences, even if it is not directly to us, that will make us to experience in next generation. We have to suffer. Why do you give this advices from Gita to this poor Christian? How many female who come with a big dream is being brutally spoiled by that heartless fellows? Achayan, please don't support that. You have enough work and enough income for you. This is not enough to run the studio in a right way? My dear Pratapan, I will tell you a proverb. Whoever is coming here are coming with the plan of entering into political field, telling you for the experience. The female whomever I have protected and kept here, they have been used by hand, and I have seen orphans in this stage. In their view, I am a useless fellow. Do whatever you want to do. But I am scared this sin might fall on my head too. This is not a sin, Pratapan. This is like helping each other. This world is a supermarket. Everything is displayed. Do you know why? For sale. This proverb, let your daughter not hear. Might be she'd have heard. That's why she's become like this. He can't understand what is a trap that I got into. What to do? In front of others, I'm a big studio owner.
Amma. Hangover, my dear. Hangover. Oof. Mix some poison along and drink as well. And give me also some. And everything will be over by that. Don't shout, yaar. I'm having headache. Till your mom is alive, nothing will happen. You don't worry about that, okay? If you keep drinking like this, you and dad will not be alive. I won't die so early, okay? You don't stop talking like this. Your body parts will not withstand this. Don't forget that. I feel bad when I see others. I feel bad. I can't differentiate mom and daughters. But look at you. You keep drinking always. Oh. Does your mother look so ugly? Go see yourself in the mirror. That's what I was thinking, that nobody is looking at Mom. Your mom is ready. Keep waiting for them. Listen to me carefully. For daughter's role model is always her mother. One day I'll become like you. That day you'll understand.
Will he like this girl?
She is from Bangalore. She's a
Ah.
nice girl.
I know that Sharif who's brought these photographs to you, but I really don't believe him.
What is that?
These photographs have taken about 10 to 12 years before, sir. He would have collected from somebody else, sir.
Ah, Madhu, look who is that?
Sir, madam has come.
Narayanan, go outside.
Narayanan, don't you have to go to bank?
I've already gone to bank and came.
Hmm?
Oh, okay. I have to go again. Come.
Hmm? So you started in the morning. Good smell is coming.
Not upon you.
Oh, might be yesterday's. Come, I have a scotch in my room. Let's go and have one.
Huh? Guruji's car is here
Hey,
only.
he won't come here. Let's go and have it here.
Good morning, sir.
Chema's gone.
I do not know, sir. I read the story completely, sir. What's written in the script is the fragrance from the hair will be very beautiful, sir. But we need somebody with beautiful hair, sir.
Let's find that out. Mail that storyboard to them.
Okay, done, sir.
After mailing this, you leave Bala. Handlooms project, I'll go home and do it.
Model for that is Lizano, sir. Or anybody else is there?
The other girl. A fresh face. That should be good. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. I also came here as a fresh face to become a model, but everything changed after I came here. I became Guruji's assistant.
Your brain is oversized. I felt like behind the camera it will be more useful. Do you regret for that?
No, sir, never. I'm the happiest associate ever. And I'm proud of myself, sir.
Fine.
Anand,
Hmm?
come and sit beside me.
What happened, Achama? Hmm?
I'll tell you the reason I came here.
You already told the reason you came. You don't have to tell anything more. If you want money or something, take it from Narayanan. Go and take it.
I don't want your money.
Hmm?
But why did you take off my daughter from the advertisement?
Who took out?
Did you fix Lisa already?
Not Lisa. Your elder daughter, Diana.
Oh, Anand, she doesn't know about modeling anything. She doesn't even know to walk straight. She'll fall at least 4 times while walking in the house itself. Look, Anand, what's lagging in my daughter Lisa?
My dear Achama, I am not the person who decides this. That Prathapan, your master. This studio is running on his brain work. What to do? I'm just an Anand here. Okay, why did you bother about all this? Both of them are your daughters only, right? Both the incomes are going to come to your hand, isn't it?
Few things that you should know.
What is that?
That girl, Diana, is not my daughter. I'm Joseph's second wife, you know that, right?
I know.
She is born to his first wife.
Oh, like that. Hmm?
Look here, Anand. She's one fool. If she comes to this field, that's it. Anand, somehow get this contract to Lizano, please.
Let me talk to Prathapan. Huh?
Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much.
Useless. How many times to solve these accounts? That Sami has taken one full bottle. I don't know where to write that account. Hey Suresh, give me a black coffee.
Narayan,
Yeah.
Anand asked to get cash from you.
How much?
10,000 rupees.
Which account I have to write this?
Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous. Not an account. Let it be there. That Anloom's ad. Is Lisa is confirmed?
He has told.
Nothing will happen. Master has decided that. That is for your elder daughter, Diana.
Really?
You know that. I don't lie to you.
Why did I ask you to go there, Mom? Look, dear, in whatever way I can speak, I've spoken to them. That Guruji is the problem. But Anand will make it all right. Your mother has made all the preparation for that. If Narayan has told, it must be true. If we leave only, no, he'll go. I'll not leave him. Who this lady is, she'll come to know. I'll stop it, dear. Leave me for 2 days only. You will never understand. Never you'll understand. Thank God, it's plastic. You spoiled my daughter's life, is it?
What are you talking, Mary?
Don't talk. Your daughter is only responsible for all this. Because of you, my daughter is also betraying me.
Look, Mary. Whatever you have in your mind, please tell me. I am seeing you for the past 2-3 days. What should I do? Should I and my daughter go out from this house?
Huh? Hey, Lisa, did you hear? He and his daughter are leaving the house, it seems. Where will you go? Will you live on the roads? Where will you sleep? On the bus stop? Oh, where will you eat? Are you selling your beautiful daughter?
Hey!
Leisha! Dear Leisha!
What are you doing?
Why are you getting angry?
Both of you come here. On evening
sir.
train, I'm going to Bangalore,
I know, sir.
so I don't have to tell you.
Tell me, sir.
I'll come only after 2-3 days. Till that, studio is on leave. Except for Pratapan, don't open the studio for anyone else. Nobody will come, but still. Swami, you drop me in station and bring the car here.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Over.
I'm gonna take a leave for 2 days and go and visit my girlfriend and come.
Hello? Am I talking to Elizabeth? Pratapan here.
Good evening, sir. This is Lisa speaking.
Good evening. Can I talk to your mother?
I'll give her, sir. Mom? Mom? Guruji's call. Hello, sir. At least you felt like calling me.
I'm planning to make a rough design. I want 2-3 pics of your daughter. I'll send Madhu there. Tomorrow? Maybe we need a photo shoot too. Maybe after 2 days.
Lisa's profile photos are there in the studio, right, sir?
Not Lisa. The other girl. Hello? Are you not listening to me?
I can hear you, Guruji, sir. I discussed with Diana so many times, but she doesn't want to do this job. Not just that, her marriage is getting fixed as well. If at all her husband doesn't like all this.
Okay.
If you want, I'll send Lisa tomorrow.
You're not the person to decide that.
Hey Lisa, when you both went to studio that day, was Guruji present there? When we were leaving, he was standing near reception. She's done something to him. When she has made that fellow himself to like her, if she gets into the field, that's it.
Mary, don't talk nonsense about my daughter.
Oh, your daughter? Big beauty she is, right? I will show you who I am. I don't let you leave here one day also. Get lost now. Nobody should interfere in my daughter's life. I am paying the rent for this house. How much I believed this girl. She was acting innocent and she has done such big harm.
Shut your mouth!
You also get lost with her. Mom, please stop this, Mom. See, there's balance in this. Drink this as well. Don't leave that.
Mom, where will I go?
Please forgive me, dear. Your father has lost everything. I tried several ways in my life, but I lost in everything. Whenever I keep a step ahead, I fall immediately. I've lost completely. Please forgive me, dear. Those who haven't done any mistake in their life, they are the one who lose.
After I heard all this, how will I stay like a beggar in this house, Dad? You're not earning anything. Even I don't have a job.
Can you act in that advertisement which was offered by them?
What advertisement?
When we get a way to escape, we have to somehow use that opportunity. We should not stay in this house anymore, dear. Don't feel bad that you're born as a girl. You should not worry about anything at all.
What will you do, Papa?
Just like Mom had left us, you think that your father has also left you.
They won't let you live in peace, Dad. They'll kill you.
I'm already living as a dead body here. We do not have any relationship with that lady. We are different and they are different.
What do you want me to do, Papa? How much can a man drink in his lifetime? I'm standing like this today, and all this has happened because of the poison you drank, Papa. Don't forget that.
Hey, where are you going now? Why have you draped white sari?
Where I go, why is it concerning you?
It's already night.
Before I go, let me ask you one thing. What mistake did I do? Why did you and your mom behave like that to me? Pray to God that you don't get any punishment for this. Your sister will also pray.
Where are you going? Let her go. Headweight lady. Where else these shameless people will go? They'll return back to this house only, no? I'll not even let her get inside of this door. Don't call me mom from now on. Get lost.
Are you Lisa, madam's sister? What are you doing this time?
I
Ma'am, I
came
have to
to
go
see.
very far. Please come soon.
There is someone inside, no? In the name of Anand. I don't have cash with me.
How much?
40 rupees.
Take it.
Okay, madam. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Why did you come alone?
The studio owner is there.
Who?
Everyone calls him Anand.
Sarah's gone to Bangalore. You 2 days holiday here.
Guruji, he's there?
He has also left. Sir's house is nearby.
Will he be there?
I don't know that. Please don't mistake me. It's going to rain. It's a wrong time.
Is his house really far from here?
A corner of this street there is a STD booth. If you ask them, they will tell you.
Who's that? It's so shocking to me. Evening I made a phone call. It has destroyed the accommodation and the food of the girl, is it?
That is not anybody's mistake, sir. My fate has always been like that.
For timing, let the fate be there. Take care of your health first. Go have bath. See, take that room.
I left that house when I just couldn't take it anymore. I had no idea where I should go next. That is why
You already told me all this. First thing, go have bath and change your dress. If you fall sick, I don't know to take care of you. See that room.
Sorry.
I put my clothes for drying. There are no clothes fit for ladies here.
For that, there is no women here. Because of that, there is no women dress here. I never wear any feminine dress with me. And your presence here is an accident, right? For time being, on wardrobe, Bermudas and shirt is available. Maybe you can take one. It won't be suitable for you, but still adjust it for today. Welcome, gentlemen. This dress suits you very well than me to you. Come. I don't have a big treat for you. It's a small little dinner is there. For time being, you can be here tonight. Tomorrow we'll find a way. Please be seated. For 2 days, studio is on leave. By the time we can make a confidence here. Once we start the work, this tension will get over.
All these ads, I have only seen it in TV. Will I be able to do it, sir?
Our life is only one, and it is not for crying and spend it out. You should have the courage of winning over that life. That's it. And you can.
Here, is there nobody else here?
You came with one sorrow. I will open my burden the other day. Nothing is ended here. Everything is for an opening. You should have that attitude. I'm like that. Have it.